Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to adjust a sale challan against sale challan returns in Logic ERP. Let's get started. First, let's review the sale challan that needs to be adjusted. We have created a sale challan for 100 units of the item. Now, let's review the related sale return challan that we are going to adjust against this sale challan. For the same, go to the sale challan return module. Here, as you can see, we have generated a sale challan return for 20 units for the relevant item. Now, let's proceed to adjust the sale challan against this sale challan return. For the same, head to the Adjust Sale Challan Against Returns module. Select the relevant sale challan return from the list. Next, select the sale challan against which the return needs to be adjusted. Then, choose the basis of adjustment. Selecting lot will adjust the return quantity lot-wise, based on the specific lot number. Selecting an item will adjust the return quantity item-wise, without considering the lot number. Let's proceed with selecting item as the basis of adjustment. Finally, click on the Adjust button to complete the adjustment process. The adjustment process has been completed. Let's verify the adjustment in the relevant sale challan. Previously, the sale challan displayed a total quantity of 100 units. After adjusting the sale challan against the sale challan return for 20 units, the updated quantity is now reflected as 80 units. This clearly indicates that the sale challan has been successfully adjusted against the sale challan return. Let's also learn how to unadjust the adjusted sale challan against the sale challan return. Go to the Adjust Sale Challan Against Return module. To reverse the adjustment, click on the Undo Adjustment option. Now select the relevant challan to be unadjusted. Then click on Refresh. The software displays the adjusted challan details item-wise. You can also view the details in a consolidated way by switching to Consolidated from here. Finally, click on Undo Adjustment to reverse the adjustment. The undo adjustment process has been completed. Let's review its impact on the corresponding sales challan. As observed, the adjustment has been successfully removed. The full quantity of 100 units is reflected in the quantity column. This confirms that the sale challan has been unadjusted against the sale challan return.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.